In 2012, I suffered a terrible disappointment. I tried to sell my business. I was a business owner. I had an investment banking firm in Hungary, which was a market-leading firm. And just before we decided to leave after the Eurozone crisis, my wife and I decided to not wait for another crisis. Let's leave and let's try to move to the US. I got a phone call from a guy, and he called me up and he said, "Hey Steve, why don't we partner up and merge our business together and then build a kick-ass business in Central Eastern Europe together?" A week later, I got the offer. I was reading the offer and I couldn't believe what I saw. At that point, I had been for 10 years, the previous 10 years, advising business owners like you, small and medium-sized business owners, how to prepare their businesses for sale, how to sell their companies. And here I am, I'm trying to sell my company and I get this offer. This offer basically said that, sorry, if you're out of the picture, then we just buy infrastructure. I didn't sell my business, we moved here anyway. And in that summer, I stumbled upon a book, which I think many of you have read, Good to Great. And in this book, I was reading about something called the Hedgehog concept. And the idea is that the fox knows many things, but the hedgehog knows one big thing. What Jim Collins found was that all those companies that were successful, they developed hedgehog concepts, and the hedgehog always wins. And then Russian-British philosopher Asia Berlin, he wrote a thesis about Tolstoy, and he basically said that people can be grouped in two categories. There are foxes and there are hedgehogs. That foxes are people who move on many levels, and they are diffused and scattered, and they believe that there are no simple answers to things, there are no simple solutions. On the other hand, Asia Berlin called hedgehogs, they are people who have to simplify the world into a simple unifying concept. I'd like to work with you on figuring out your personal niche. So here's the question for you. What are those skills or personal attributes that you had in the past? Try to think back to the past and remember what allowed you to be successful at that point.